This is the AI Leader Brief for the week of September 15th, and I am Lynvatar. Change isn't slowing down. The leaders who succeed are the ones who build trust and buy-in along the way. That means asking the right questions, like, do people feel protected, connected, like they belong, strong in their identity, and true partners in the change? When those 5 questions are answered, alignment and execution move faster. Here's the headline from Satya Nadella, CEO of Microsoft. AI is the ultimate co-pilot, but what matters most is human judgment, human empathy, and human creativity. And in your vendor meetings this week, 3 words you'll hear: generative AI, fine-tuning, and RAG, retrieval augmented generation. Know what they mean, and you'll know the right questions to ask. Remember, utilizing AI may sometimes accelerate tasks. Trust accelerates people. Your job as a leader is to understand and lead in both areas.